Good afternoon, YouTube. Here's Nick from Meticulous Motors again, and here for sale today we have this rare 2019 Subaru WRX. This one's rare because this one is the series gray color. Has quite a few options from new to bring it up to something that's a little bit more optioned out from the dealer, something that you won't quite get this color combo or the options that it does have. So this one's upgraded with the blackout package here, which you get the dark mirrors, you get the dark emblems, and you also get that on the back as well too. You get the painted red calipers with the trim model. You get these nice Falcon Zenith tires. These are really nice, good tires. These were put on, they're brand new. So you have those nice new tires all the way around. Beautiful clean and clear headlights, LED headlights and fog lights, and then just, you know, with that black package kind of, you know, coming through the grille there, and the blacked out housing headlights. Really nice touches there. Powered by the 2.0 direct injected turbo engine, the FA20. New engine for Subaru in 2015, very reliable. It's chain driven motor, so no timing belt replacement questions needed for this one. And then this color is just super unique, series gray, and it looks beautiful. It looks silver, it looks blue, it looks off-white. I mean, there's just so many color combinations, and it looks great. So it's just really nice. So brand new tires, tinted windows, four-wheel disc brakes, turbocharged 2.0, 6-speed manual transmission, all the good things that you're going to want in a car today. And then it comes with these OEM Subaru roof racks. The roof has been wrapped in black. It's a little faded up top. But coming to the interior, we have a smoke and pet-free interior. We also have the upgraded Recaro seats, $3,100 option for that. So it has the red stitching throughout on the door panels, very nice, and then you get the red stitching throughout the Recaros, and then as you can see there, so they do feel much better than the factory seats, and they have that nice metal Recaro bar there to really let you know that these are some nice seats. So glove box has the original owner's manual and the wheel lock, ice cold AC. It also comes with a boost gauge, oil temperature gauge, throttle, symmetrical all-wheel drive screens, just to kind of let you know the mechanics of the cars. And then it has touchscreen radio, apps, CD player, Bluetooth, auxiliary connectivity, standard AC controls, charging port, has the upgraded short throw shifter from Subaru with the STI knob. So again, that's a $700 option, really optioned out here. So as you can see, the auxiliary USB connectivity, dual heated front seats, dual cup holders, all that good stuff. And then coming up to the top here, we have a nice black headliner. We have dual illuminated vanity mirrors, and then we get LED map lighting. Get the upgraded rear view mirror with the home link and auto dimming. So it's almost a frameless rear view mirror, so it really looks clean and nice. Power options include windows, locks, mirrors, seat. And we get dual automatic windows for the driver front and passenger side. Fold down armrest, dual cup holders, split fold 60/40 rear seats. So again, plenty of space back here. Have all the child anchors for baby seats, and then we have the nice red continuation there to kind of match our front. So looking down the side of the vehicle, no dings, dents, scratches. We got an upgraded Cobb exhaust. You can see there, nice Cobb titanium exhaust, very expensive exhaust, very nice. So it comes with the spare tire, tools, the jack, nice clean trunk mat, rear backup camera, and as you can see here, the upgraded option back here with these darker emblems to match the side ones as well too. Little scuff here, should be removable though. But again, the new tires, the keyless smart entry. It's got all kinds of nice features here, and a really nice WRX. These are fun cars to drive. If you never had a WRX, they are a blast. All-wheel drive, turbocharged engine, plenty of great history and background to support that. Rear trunk release, interior illumination, and traction control. And then here's our power windows, locks, mirrors, and then I like the chrome touch on the end of the switches there, very nice and clean. And then we get Bluetooth, stereo controls, and then this controls the screen up in the center. And then our cruise control, automatic headlights, and interval front wipers, as well as fog lights. So a little wear here on the leather wrap steering wheel. It is a push to start, so clutch in, foot on the brake, start it up, and And we have 140,000 original one-owner miles. This is a one-owner vehicle. The only warning light we have here is a windshield washer fluid low light. That warning light is on pretty much standard every Subaru above 2010. So no surprise there that that's on. It's like a tire pressure light from Toyotas from the mid-2000s. You know, it just comes with the car. So as you can see here, we have the boost gauge. And then you can scroll through here, set birthdays, set dates, MPGs, miles to empty. It has the yaw rate sensor to tell you how many G's you're pulling on the corners. And then MPGs, oil temp, and boost. So all of that's controlled by this button here. The buttons down here actually control the speedometer up here. So you can see your miles per hour, you can see what warning lights you have. And then here we get the Subaru Starlink. That's an added subscription that you can download. It tells you a lot about your car, but it does come with Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, Pandora, the AHA app, so lots of good stuff there. But yeah, great touchscreen radio, very beautiful, very Starlink, very space themed, so it's pretty, it looks good, it's got good functionality, good response. And then as you can see, our rear backup camera there. Revs up by it nicely, idles smoothly. As you can see there, it can peak boost around 22 pounds, which is nice. This FA 2.0 is a very high compression engine, so that's all you really need to make this car scream. So these cars, blast to drive. This one, highly optioned, around 32,000 MSRP from new. We have the original window sticker, but don't let this one get away from you, because this is one super rare color, highly unique Subaru. Look at those beautiful LED daytime running lights, and just look at this color, just how it is, the presence, the way it sits on the wheels with the mirrors, the roof racks. This one's ready to go for your next adventure. So if you want something that's a lot of fun, that's really a safe car, look no further than this turbocharged Subaru WRX. This 2019, you can find this Series Gray one owner Subaru exclusively on our website, meticulousmotorsinc.com. Please rate and subscribe to our YouTube channel, like or comment on any of our videos, because your feedback is much appreciated. I want to thank you for taking the time to watch this video today, and we will see you next time.